Welcome, everyone. If you are new, let me tell you that I am an investor and a financial coach in the field of digital assets and cryptocurrencies.
Did you know that there is a method that allows you to turn $10,000 into $1 million? It is a method to multiply your money in a rational and correct way, and not an illusion of quick wealth. Today, in this video, we are going to share with you an investment strategy used by the rich to multiply their wealth. It is an almost magical mathematical concept that it is essential to understand, because most ordinary people do not know it and do not know how to apply it. We promise you that at the end of this video, you will understand a real method, accessible to everyone, to reach this equation: compound interest or compound growth. Before seeing how to use it personally to turn $10,000 into $1 million, let us first understand what compound interest means. This theory or magical method that allows you to multiply your capital in a cumulative way. It is exactly the same strategy used by most of the rich and even by banks. Compound interest was described by Einstein as the greatest wonder of the world. He literally said, "Compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. Those who understand it benefit from it. Those who do not understand it pay it." And it is true. Banks use it to enrich themselves enormously, thanks to loans and credits at the expense of people. Look at this simple example. Imagine that you invest $100 with an average return of 10% per month. The first month, you earn $10. If you withdraw your gain, you remain with a fixed capital. But if you let the gain be reinvested, your capital becomes $110. The next month, 10% of $110 equals $11, which brings your capital to $121. The next month, you earn $12.1, which increases your capital to $133.1. This is the magic of compound interest. Profits generate other profits, which are added to the capital and grow like a snowball. The longer the period, the more exponential the growth. From $10,000 to $1 million, let us take a concrete example, which you can easily find on Google. Type compound interest calculator. For the starting capital, which means the amount you want to invest, let us take, for example, $10,000. Average return, let us suppose 20% per year. In the case of Bitcoin, which has historically generated 49% per year, but let us take a more modest figure, which is 20%. We set the duration, 20 years, and look at the results. Your $10,000 become about $528,000 after 20 years without doing anything else but buying and holding. Now, let us add a strategy called dollar cost averaging, which means investing a small amount every month regularly and automatically. Suppose you add $200 per month in addition to your initial investment of $10,000. After 20 years, with an average return of 20%, your total invested capital, $10,000 plus $48,000 equals $58,000, turns into $1,150,000. This is the full power of compound interest combined with DCA. And if it's not Bitcoin, if you are not convinced by Bitcoin, you can apply the same logic to traditional stock markets. Historically, the S&P 500 yields between 8 and 11% per year. With the same assumptions, $10,000 initial plus $200 monthly over 20 years, you will reach about $250,000, which is still a remarkable performance. If you increase your monthly deposits, for example, $500 instead of $200, you could reach $500,000 or more. The purpose of understanding compound interest is not only theoretical. It is a principle that shows that investing is a long-term game and not a promise of becoming rich quickly, as is often promoted on the internet. Investing requires patience, a strategy, a good financial management, and above all, regularity. It is a process that is sometimes boring, but incredibly powerful in the long term. Especially for young people, starting early with small amounts in a solid asset, whether Bitcoin or traditional investment funds, can completely change your financial future. We hope that today you have understood the power of compound interest. If this video was useful to you, do not forget to give it a like, to subscribe to the channel, and to activate the bell. We will see each other in the next video. Take care of yourself. See you soon.